I don't know how to put it forth. It just felt like I think something more divine had come upon me at that moment, and that's all I can put it forth in, because even when now I look back and I think that how could I be so calm, how could I be so collective at that moment? It's hard, especially with all the anxiety I was going through, especially with being dropped 2 games before and coming back, playing a World Cup semi-finals at home, the pressure, the expectations, playing against Australia. It just felt like, it was just something divine was, his hand was upon me, Jesus' hand was upon me and gave me the grace to go through. And I remember when that happened, and especially, okay, being me, it's fine, but when my parents were also dragged into it for something we didn't do, like everything we did at that moment was according to the rules and regulations. And we have proof of that. But what allegations they had put upon me and my family really hit my family, because we had done nothing wrong. And that happened after the World Cup in Dubai, where we had not done well. I personally had not performed well. I was already
Right.
feeling really, really bad, mentally down because of what happened in the World Cup. And suddenly I'm seeing the news and people are messaging me and saying these things have been said about you, but worse about your family and your church. And that really hit me. I remember my brother called me and I just started crying and said, I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's just like back to back uh, things are just happening, first with the World Cup, with my performance, and then dragging my family and putting false allegations against me and my family. But I think we just had a conversation as a family too, and we are like, you know what? This is not our battle to fight. We know our intentions were right. We know we have not done anything wrong, and God is our witness. We have not done anything wrong. So if anything is there, God will fight for us, and God will, we just need to keep quiet. We don't have to prove anything to anyone, neither fight against anyone. We forgive the people who hurt us, because that's what Jesus taught us, to forgive those even who have done wrong things. We forgave them and we trusted God to fight our battles for us. And I'm telling you, so how things just fall into place, that exactly the same time next year, it was that New Zealand knock, then the semi-final knock, and India winning the World Cup. It was around the same time when last year me and my family went through a lot, but this year
For
God just
sure.
raised me and my family up, and He gave us double honor for every shame.